Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make an amazing DIY hair gel using okra. This natural gel is perfect for detangling your hair, especially if you have thick, curly or coily hair like mine. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need a few fresh okra pods. You can find this at your local market or grocery store. We'll start off by washing them. We need to remove any dirt or residue that may be on the surface, since you want the gel to contain only the natural nutrients from the okra and not the contaminants. We are going to go ahead and chop the okra into small pieces to release the natural mucilage, which is what makes the gel. Next, take the chopped okra and add it to a pot. For about 10 to 12 okra pods, use around 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the water thickens into a gel-like consistency. So once the mixture is nice and gooey, it's time to strain it. You can use a sieve or a cheesecloth to separate the gel from the okra pieces. Make sure to press out as much of the gel as possible. When it comes to applying the okra gel onto your hair, feel free to use a root comb applicator bottle. This makes it much easier. Pour the strained gel into a jar or a container. You can store this in the fridge for up to a week, and that's it. Your DIY okra gel is ready to use. If you try this out, let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.